Let's understand our path to what is the fifth era in human history. So, first was the hunter gatherer era, followed by the agriculture era, followed by the industrial era, information era, and now we're in the augmented era. Each era lasted a different time span of varying degrees. So, the hunter gatherer era was almost 200,000 years, the agriculture era, 12,000 years, the industrial era, 200 years, the information era, just 75 years, and we've been in the augmented era certainly less than 10 years. Why does this matter? When we start looking at the capabilities, we had eh, less than 300,000 years to make some incremental analog improvements, 75 years to make some rapid digital improvements, and less than 10 years we're making really rapid cognitive improvements. Also, let's look at the lifespan of a human versus these time periods. In the hunter-gatherer era, the lifespan was about 25 years, same for the agricultural era. In the industrial era, we started to see a difference in lifespan depending on where you are in the world. Somewhere between 30 and 40 was the average life expectancy. In the information era, depending on where you were in the world, 40 to 68 at the start of the information era. Now, at the start of the augmented era, life expectancy is 58 to 83, depending on where you are in the world. Why does this matter? This matters because when you start to contemplate how many generations we had to absorb the change from one era to the next. So we had almost 8,000 years in the hunter-gatherer era, nearly 500 in the agricultural era, 6 in the industrial era, 1 to 2 in the information era, and less than 1 now in the augmented era. This is the first time in human history that folks have had to not only live and witness one or more era, because you could have been born at the cusp and seen the end of one era and very beginning of the other era, but where a human could live an entire lifespan and span two different eras. Not only that, this is the first time in human history that we've had to work in two different human eras. And that's why we titled our book The Adaptation Advantage. I think adaptability is one of the most important superpowers today because when you span from one human era to the next in one human lifetime, the key to success is adaptation.